Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to create a new Microsoft account in 2025, and it will be a quick full tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So as you can see, we are already in signup.live.com. This is a Microsoft account creation platform where we can easily create our account. So here you can see this is the platform where we are allowed to create an account. So if you have an account, just click over here, sign in, and similarly you just need to go over here, you need to paste your phone number and email, then click on next, and you will need to paste your password, then you are allowed to enter in Microsoft. But if you don't, then or you are new to Microsoft, then just click this platform, and here you will get the option to create an Gmail. So let's create an account. Just visit our Gmail and then go over that place, and let's copy this one. Let's copy it and paste it here, and just click on next. Once I click over here, you already have an account. So I already have an account, so I just need to click on sign in. So the process is really simple. As you can see, I already give a message, and here I will get a mail over here with the code. Let's wait a bit, and then I will get the mail. Let's check it out. I hope this video help you to understand how Microsoft works and how you can create an account over that place. If you go from other way, you can see whole procedure. So let's copy it and let's paste it here, and now you can see our account has been logged here. So there is some suspicious step we do, that for reason this happens. So if your account is new, and always must be add a phone number before do it. Without this you are not allowed to use it. I hope this video was helpful for you and knowledgeable for you. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.